Daily business.
日常事务。
What industry do you work in?
你在哪个行业工作？
What industry do you work in?
I work in the service industry.
我从事服务行业。
I work in the service industry. I work in the food industry.
我从事食品行业。
I work in the food industry.
What company do you work for?
你在哪家公司工作？
What company do you work for?
I work for McMuffin.
我在麦克马芬工作。
I work for McMuffin.
Which department do you work in?
你在哪个部门工作？
Which department do you work in?
I work in the Human Resources Department.
我在人力资源部工作。
I work in the Human Resources Department. I work in the Finance Department.
我在财务部工作。
I work in the Finance Department.
What is your position?
你的工作职位是什么？
What is your position?
Team leader.
组长。
Team leader. Department head.
部门主管。
Department head. Intern.
实习生。
Intern.
What's your responsibility?
你的工作职责是什么？
What's your responsibility?
I deal with purchase orders.
我处理采购订单。
I deal with purchase orders. I deal with computer issues.
我处理电脑问题。
I deal with computer issues.
I've got a lot of work at the moment.
我现在有很多工作要做。
I've got a lot of work at the moment.
I have a number of things to deal with today.
今天我有很多事要处理。
I have a number of things to deal with today. The job is not easy.
这工作不轻松。
The job is not easy. Work is not always easy.
工作并不总是那么轻松。
Work is not always easy.
I find my job really interesting.
我发现我的工作真的很有趣。
I find my job really interesting. I find my job boring.
我觉得我的工作很无聊。
I find my job boring.
Do you find your work challenging?
你觉得你的工作有挑战性吗？
Do you find your work challenging?
Can you deal with this problem?
你能解决这个问题吗？
Can you deal with this problem? Did you make a copy of this document?
你是否复印了这份文件？
Did you make a copy of this document?
Sort these papers and file them correctly.
将这些文件进行分类并正确归档。
Sort these papers and file them correctly. I need you to update the contact details.
我需要你更新此联系方式。
I need you to update the contact details.
Set up the overhead projector in the meeting room, please.
请在会议室设置投影仪。
Set up the overhead projector in the meeting room, please.
Did you punch in?
你上班打卡了吗？
Did you punch in? Did you punch out?
你下班打卡了吗？
Did you punch out?
Hi Michael, I'm Elizabeth. I don't think we've met yet.
嗨，迈克尔，我是伊丽莎白。我想我们还没见过面。
Hi Michael, I'm Elizabeth. I don't think we've met yet.
Hi. No, we haven't. Nice to meet you. What do you do?
你好。不，我们还没有见过面。很高兴见到你。你做什么工作呢？
Hi. No, we haven't. Nice to meet you. What do you do?
I work in the sales department.
我在销售部门工作。
I work in the sales department. What are you doing here? When did you join?
你在这里做什么工作？你是什么时候加入呢？
What are you doing here? When did you join?
I joined the IT department 1 month ago.
是在1个月前，我加入了 IT 部门。
I joined the IT department 1 month ago.
How do you find the job?
你觉得你的工作如何呢？
How do you find the job?
I find it very challenging.
我觉得非常具有挑战性。
I find it very challenging.